Ever felt like you're running on empty? You wake up tired, you can't focus, and even simple tasks feel overwhelming. But here's the thing, it's not just physical exhaustion. You might be emotionally drained. I'll break down exactly why this happens, the hidden causes behind your exhaustion, and most importantly, how you can recharge your energy and feel alive again. Stay till the end because I'll share a powerful 3-minute reset technique that you can use anytime to instantly boost your energy. Being emotionally drained isn't just feeling tired, it's deeper than that. It's when you feel mentally exhausted, unmotivated, and even small things feel overwhelming. Signs you're emotionally drained. You feel exhausted even after sleeping. You have no motivation for things you used to enjoy. You're easily irritated and feel overwhelmed. You withdraw from people or feel disconnected. And guess what? This doesn't just happen randomly. There are some hidden reasons behind it. The hidden causes of emotional drain. So, why do you feel this way? Here are 5 major reasons you might be emotionally drained. Too much mental overload. Your brain is overloaded with information from work, social media, and daily responsibilities. Example: constant notifications and endless to-do lists keep your brain in overdrive. Emotional overwhelm. Suppressing emotions or dealing with negative energy from toxic people can drain you. Lack of boundaries. Always saying yes and never taking time for yourself leads to burnout. Poor sleep and digital overload. Doom scrolling at night disrupts sleep, making you feel even more exhausted. Not prioritizing restorative activities. You might be busy, but are you actually doing things that recharge you? Now that we know why this happens, let's get into how to fix it. Step 1. Set emotional boundaries. The first step to recharging is learning to protect your energy. That means setting boundaries, emotionally, mentally, and even digitally. Learn to say no without guilt. Example: if a friend always vents to you but never listens, it's okay to set limits. Limit energy-draining conversations. You don't have to engage in every argument or drama. Reduce digital noise. Unfollow accounts that make you feel anxious. Set screen time limits. Protecting your energy isn't selfish, it's necessary. Step 2. The 3 types of rest you need. Ever slept 8 hours and still woke up exhausted? That's because physical rest isn't enough. You need 3 types of rest. Physical rest. Prioritize quality sleep and movement. Mental rest. Take breaks, practice mindfulness, and stop multitasking. Emotional rest. Let yourself process emotions instead of suppressing them. Ask yourself, which type of rest am I missing? Step 3. How to refill your energy tank. So, what actually recharges you? Here are simple but powerful ways to restore your energy. Micro breaks throughout the day. Step away from your screen for 5 minutes every hour. Nature therapy. 20 minutes outside can reduce stress hormones. Journaling or brain dumping clears mental clutter. Music reset. Play a feel-good song and move your body. Breath work. Deep breathing can instantly calm your nervous system. You don't need a 3-hour self-care routine. Small habits make a big difference. 3-minute instant reset technique. Now, as promised, here's a 3-minute reset technique you can use anytime you feel drained. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for 3 seconds. Exhale slowly. Drop your shoulders. Notice where you're holding tension and relax. Ask yourself, what's one thing I need right now? Water, fresh air, a break? Do a quick energy boost. Stretch, take 10 deep breaths, or listen to calming music. Try this next time you feel overwhelmed. It works. Drop a comment below. Every click brings us closer. Subscribe for more stories.